If you're over 60, you've likely been told to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Hydrating with plain water is a vital baseline, but simple hydration doesn't address the structural changes occurring in senior blood vessels. This animation shows what happens inside our bodies as we age. After 60, a silent shift occurs. The walls of your veins thicken, rigid layers of plaque build up, and the pathway for your blood narrows. This restricts circulation and increases the risk of silent heart attacks. Certain kitchen staples contain compounds that lower blood viscosity and trigger the relaxation of the vascular walls. By adding these to warm water, you're using a targeted delivery system to widen the blood's pathway. Go ahead and pour yourself a glass of warm water. Pick one of the ingredients we're about to cover, and if you are committed to protecting your heart, leave a heart emoji in the comments below. Proactive morning hydration is a critical daily intervention. By targeting the blood vessels directly, you provide your body the necessary tools to manage circulation long before the first symptoms even appear. Step 1 is ginger. It contains gingerols and shogaols, which act as natural blood thinners. To prepare it, crush a ½ inch piece of ginger and boil it in 2 glasses of water for 10 minutes, then strain it. You must consult your doctor before trying this if you are currently on prescription blood thinners or if you have a surgery scheduled within the next 2 weeks. The second option is Ceylon cinnamon. It helps manage blood pressure and blood sugar. Simply mix exactly ½ teaspoon of the powder into your warm water. This photo shows true Ceylon cinnamon. Notice the thin, brittle, multi-layered rolls. You must use this specific type. The common Casio variety found in most spice racks contains high levels of coumarin, which can damage your liver over time.
If you take diabetes medication, monitor your levels closely when using Ceylon cinnamon to ensure your blood sugar doesn't drop to dangerous lows. Because these natural ingredients actively alter your blood viscosity and sugar levels, treat them with the exact same caution and respect you would apply to a pharmaceutical prescription. Option 3 is lemon. The vitamin C repairs the inner lining of your veins. Squeeze ½ a lemon into warm water. Cold water severely limits your body's ability to absorb the nutrients. If you suffer from gastric ulcers or severe acidity, do not drink this on an empty stomach. Take your lemon water only after breakfast. Option 4 is garlic. It is a powerful natural vasodilator, meaning it physically expands your veins to improve circulation. Once you crush the garlic, you must leave it exposed to the air for exactly 10 minutes. This waiting period allows its medicinal compound, allicin, to activate. Start with just ½ a clove for the first week. Do not combine this with prescription blood pressure medications without getting your doctor's approval first. The strict timing of your preparation dictates the results. Rushing the process and skipping the 10-minute rest prevents the chemical reaction that creates the medicinal value. The final option is Arjuna Bark powder. This is a 3,000-year-old remedy specifically targeted at strengthening your heart muscles. Modern medical research supports this historical use. Institutions like the All India Institute of Medical Sciences have validated Arjuna Bark's ability to help restore elasticity to stiff arterial walls. To prepare it, boil 1 teaspoon of the bark powder in 2 glasses of water for 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink it warm. You do not need to consume all 5 of these remedies. Select the one ingredient that best fits your specific health profile and stick to it every single morning. Immediately after finishing your chosen drink, you need to complete a 5-minute deep breathing exercise to boost the effects. Deep respiration releases nitric oxide into your bloodstream. This chemical signals your veins to relax and physically widen. Follow this exact cadence. Inhale deeply, hold your breath for a count of 4, and then slowly exhale. Now, let's remove the habits that can undo your progress. First, stop drinking tea on an empty stomach. It dehydrates your veins right when they require moisture to maintain elasticity. Second, reduce your excess salt intake. Sodium pulls water straight into your blood vessels, which increases internal volume and spikes your blood pressure. Third, do not sit for prolonged periods in the morning. Sitting causes blood to pool in your legs. Take a mandatory 5-minute walk every hour to maintain your circulation. The vascular benefits of these ingredients are negated if the body is simultaneously fighting dehydration, sodium-induced pressure, and the pooling of blood in the lower limbs. Here is your finalized morning checklist.
Prepare your chosen warm drink, complete your 4-count breathing exercise, and avoid early morning tea and sitting. There is one final prerequisite. You must secure 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, so your body has the time it needs to repair vascular damage. Commit to this routine today. Type the phrase, Mary Nesse Mazbute, my veins are strong, in the comments, and tell me which of the 5 ingredients you will prepare tomorrow morning. Vascular aging is a condition that can be actively managed. By consistently applying these daily natural interventions, you can support your cardiovascular system and maintain long-term strength.